5 Best Camera for Photography and Videos. Top 1. Canon EOS 4000D DSLR camera with Canon FS 18-55mm f3.5 to 5.63 zoom lens plus case plus 32GB South Dakota card, 15 PC bundle. Camera body, international version, no US warranty, 18.0 MP apps, CCMOS sensor, Digit 4 Plus image processor, 6.8 cm, 2.7 TFT LCD, approx. 230K dots, Full HD 1080p video recording at 29.97 fps, 9-point autofocus, dual, up to 3 fps shooting, and ISO 12800 built-in Wi-Fi, scene intelligent auto. Canon FS 18-55mm f3.5 to 5.6 DC3 zoom lens, FS mount lens APS-C format, 28.8 to 88mm, 35mm equivalent. Top 2. Digital camera vlogging camera. 48MP 4K AiTechny video camera, Camcorder 16x digital zoom with a YouTube camera, 3.5x touchscreen camera with wide-angle lens. UHD 4K 48.0MP digital camera with 4K video resolution, format MP4, and 48.0MP image resolution, format JPEG. The camera can record extremely high-quality video and capture wonderful moment, get more natural and realistic image quality. With 3.7V 800 mAh rechargeable 2 batteries, NP60, you don't need to worry. Vlogging camera with 3.5 touchscreen, the YouTube camera can be used as a webcam. First, connect the camera to computer with the USB cable. Top 3. Panasonic Lumix FZ300 long zoom digital camera features 12.1 megapixel, a 0.5-inch sensor, 4K video, Wi-Fi, splash, and dust-proof camera body, Leica DC24X f2.8 zoom lens, DMC FZ300K, black, USA. 4K video and 4K photo. Panasonic's exclusive 4K photo technology uses 30 frames per second in high-resolution 4K Ultra HD video to extract them as photos. Leica DC Vario Elmert lens, 24x zoom, 25-600mm with full zoom range f2. Top 4. KODAK PIXPRO AZ252 Astro zoom digital camera, white, bundle with 32GB card, case, accessory kit, and rechargeable batteries. Astro zoom camera, thanks to top-grade hardware including a fast 16-megapixel BSI-CMOS sensor and 24mm wide-angle lens, you can effortlessly obtain razor-sharp photos and videos. Zoom and lens for creative flexibility that lets you to get up close to your subject. The AZ525 sports a Mega 25x optical zoom, perfect for capturing images of large landscapes and group photos. This features 24mm wide-angle lens. Photos and video capture lifelike clarity in your images with 16 megapixels. Crop and zoom without losing quality as you alter them later on. Top 5. Digital camera 2.7-inch 30 megapixels HD camera, rechargeable mini camera, student's camera, pocket camera, digital camera with 8x zoom compact camera for beginner photography. D30MP high pixels digital camera 5 million pixel CMOS sensor, up to 30 million pixels. This digital camera can support 1080p video resolution and 30MP picture resolution. Self-timer and continuous shooting function. Self-timer with a versatile range of settings, 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. In addition, the digital camera could make continuous shooting, so you could not miss every happy moments of daily life. Also have the function of anti-shake, face detection, smile capture, which help you to record all the memorable time. D8x digital zoom camera with built-in flashlight. 8x digital zoom enlarges your picture. You can take the expected photos according to the actual scene. This compact digital camera has a built-in microphone. The camera can record voice by itself, and you can display video on computer as there is no speaker on the camera. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe.